Hi, I'm Carl Johnson with G&D North America, and we're here at InfoComm 2024. I'm excited to present one of our new features in our KVM matrix systems, two-factor authentication. Right? All of our systems today, we need to be much more careful about who gets access to critical assets, and two-factor authentication is an important feature that can help many customers with that. What I'm going to do here is log in and show our two-factor authentication system. Right now I'm set up as a user called Demo. I'm going to switch over to, I'll call it the 2FA login. Enter my password, which is a known password, to the user. And now I'm going to obtain my two-factor authentication value. That I'm required to get that extra step to log into the system. And so that's a demonstration of two-factor authentication, providing extra protection, adding to the user login to critical assets in a KVM system. So for more information, please go to gdsys.com. Thank you.